Remember say deport the Thursday, yeah? Remember say deport the Thursday.
Deport the Thursday. Right now, you know about deporting thing on the beach fiesta this Sunday, right? You know, start from 12 to 12. You understand? Every Wednesday after the club, you know the traffic, you know the things from Pinnacle Plaza. You understand? You know Port Royal Beach deporting thing on this Sunday. You know Port Royal. Good. Alright. You understand? Right now, ladies, we just take them down here in front of the sound. Fill the cameraman. Go back and take some picture with them there. Because they have a money to give right now. They have to stay and they want premium and thing, you know, the thing turn up, right? So just don't play the one and give them the money and get it out of the way. You understand?